So they are like also like telling me I should like put off like reflex. Like if you want, guys, I can like do like the test again with reflex, then with no reflex in the comment section, and then with reflex again. I mean, I can try this out, guys. I've got like no problem with this. So yeah, let's just see, because the only thing I want, guys, because right now I'm slowly building my PC. And like I don't need that PC right now, you know? Like right now I can do like everything on this PC. Of course, guys, it's like, oh my god, I want this, I want this, I want this. But right now, like some prices are like kind of weird. And yeah. Also something I don't really much like is like I want like a new PC. But like I still want this PC